What is rheumatoid arthritis and why is it important to know about it? Hi, my name is Pramila Gupta and I've been living with an autoimmune condition called rheumatoid arthritis for the past 11 years. Today I'm going to be talking about why do we get this disease and how we can handle it. Well, autoimmune disease like rheumatoid arthritis is caused when the immune system starts attacking the healthy joints or the healthy tissues around the joints. These joints are mainly in the hand and the feet, like our fingers, our wrists, our ankles, toes. All the joints can get affected by this. So, RA is also referred to as a systemic disease, which means that both the joints on both the hands or the feet they get affected mostly, or the ankles or the knees can get affected at the same time. The reasons why we can get an autoimmune disease like RA are various reasons. Some of which could be the environment, or it could be certain genes in your body, or the kind of food that you eat, your sleeping patterns. All of it, there are many reasons why one can get a disease like RA. In this, the joints basically they get swelling and it gets heated up and they get red and it becomes very difficult to move. A person can become immobile, or it can have chronic pain throughout the all at all times. It's also referred to as a lifestyle disease, which means that it might not get healed after popping a couple of pills. The only way to kind of keep it in control is through medication and also by making changes in your lifestyle. So when one makes changes in their lifestyle and leads a life which controls your inflammation and keeps the inflammation at bay, that is when we can see the most of the time we see that the pain due to the rheumatoid arthritis, it starts becoming less.